Hello and welcome to my video on placebo and nocebo effect. In this video I am going to give you evidence, scientific evidence, that cancer is really a nocebo effect. A nocebo effect meaning our reaction to ideas. Our reactions to ideas is not only psychological, but also, and more importantly, somatic, physiological, in the body. This points to a mind-body connection, something that the scientific world doesn't always agree with. Some do, some don't. But even the scientists who do appreciate and agree that there is a mind-body connection, most of them are looking to see the mind as in the brain or emerging out of brain activity. But let's not worry about the nature of mind, whether physical or not physical. Let's look instead at the fact that the ideas give rise to a bodily reaction, and a reaction where a mass of cells are created and in some cases grow aggressively. Now the medical scientists tell us that this inverted commas mass of cells is just a whole lot of abnormal cells and they're growing out of control, and it's due to errors in the genetics. But if we look closely at that mass, we find that it has, and wait for it, the characteristics of an organ. Hey, you heard right, an organ. A cancer tumour has a basement membrane which anchors and nourishes the cells. It has cancer cells, of course, and as in any other organ, these are the main cells of that organ. And it has connective tissue cells as in all other organs. These are the supportive cells in the organ. The cancer organ also has a blood supply, a lymphatic supply, and in many cancers, even a nerve supply. And again, like other organs in the body, it has stem cells. These are called cancer stem cells. And these create all of the variety of cancer cells in the cancer organ. And there are immune system cells. Like other organs in the body, the immune system cells move into and out of this organ as well. Furthermore, all of the cells communicate with each other, and they communicate meaningfully. None of this can happen from abnormal cells that are dividing out of control, that are being damaged and have errors in them and divide out of control. This is organisation, big time, like everywhere else in the body. There are many hypotheses, but no one understands how the cancer stem cells arise, and many don't even acknowledge them in their discussions about cancer, and certainly not to the public, as you can see on the net. Do some searches on the internet and find out for yourself. Ask, what is Dr. John Dick, MD, famous for? And note that this was about 30 years ago. You might think, oh, that's in liquid cancer. So do another search and ask, what did Dr. Michael Clark find in breast cancer? Then ask, what causes cancer? You're going to be told about damage to the DNA and miscopying errors in genes, and that cancer is a genetic disease. In the next video, I will continue this discussion with the evidence and show you further evidence that cancer is a nocebo effect. Thank you for viewing my video.